There's a bold idea circulating: humankind will one day colonize Mars. But can we really survive there? The truth lies beyond dreams and deep in science. To live on Mars, you'd need to bring everything you take for granted on Earth. Let's start with air. On Earth, you breathe in about 550 liters of oxygen per day, for free. Mars? Its thin atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide, oxygen is almost non-existent. So how do we breathe? You'd need machines like NASA's MOXIE, which creates oxygen from CO2. One small unit costs about $2.5 million just to operate on a rover. Now imagine scaling that to support hundreds or thousands of people, 24/7. Then there's water. On Earth, the average person uses 50 to 100 liters a day. On Mars, you'd rely on recycling systems or mine water ice from deep underground, both energy-intensive, expensive, and fragile. Just building a basic water extraction unit could cost upwards of $1 to $2 million, not counting the energy to run it. That's the pattern: every essential oxygen, water, power requires high-tech support. A self-contained Mars habitat with life support for just one person could easily exceed $100,000 per day in value if we could even build it reliably today. And even if you have air and water, Mars brings two silent killers: radiation and low gravity. Mars has no global magnetic field, and its thin atmosphere offers almost no protection. Cosmic rays and solar radiation can increase cancer risk, damage the nervous system, and weaken the immune system. A Mars colonist would receive over 250 times the radiation dose compared to Earth. And the gravity? It's only 38% of Earth's. Sounds fun until your muscles weaken, your bones lose density, and your heart struggles to pump blood properly. Long-term exposure could cripple the human body. Yes, humans might technically survive on Mars. But only inside shelters, surrounded by machines worth millions, fighting nature every minute. It's not like Earth. Not yet. Not for free. Would you live on Mars if given the chance? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into space, tech, and the future of humanity.